Every week, dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN 8, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by KG.
Steve, how's it?
I'm good, my brother.
Hey, sharp, man.
How are you?
I am well, I'm well.
We won this one game.
We are relaxing.
Hey, cheese. No stresses of football.
Yeah.
Vacation time. Vacation time. So enjoy, my brother.
Yeah, prolonged vacation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Game we won this one.
Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Okay.
It had to take something special. Maybe or an on goal, something out of the ordinary actually to win the game.
Yes.
Polokwane City on the low block, I think they were
Excellent.
exceptional. Yeah, excellent on the low block.
Yes.
Very, very deep on the break. That's where they actually tried to go at Sundowns. Yeah, but I noticed also with Sundowns, it's a different system now, different ball game.
Yeah.
They played with 2 number 10s. I don't know if you noticed. There was Matthews. They also had Ribeiro. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Those guys were just behind the strike, behind Shalulile.
Yes.
In front of the Womukwe. And then they had fullbacks.
Yes.
It was Modau on the overlap and Mashikwa. So I think that is the system they will apply.
Yes.
What I also noticed is that they used River as a centre back.
Coutier?
Yeah, Coutier, you know, is a very good bowler. But I think on the centre back position, he's still going to be tested because
yes.
I preferred him actually as a CDM, as an anchor. But obviously he's a versatile player.
Yes.
He will give you those options. You either play him as a CDM, you also play him as a centre back. But wonderful application of tactics from Polokwane City. I think they tried their best.
Yes.
Unfortunately, Sundowns were ball playing. They in the first half they played the ball, but they moved it very quick. They broke the first line, broke the second line. And then you enter the final third, but they couldn't convert.
Yes.
In the second half, I think in the dressing room, they've got coach Mangoba. I think he just told them to reduce a bit of their tempo, which they did. When they reduce their tempo, then they do consolidation. They keep most of the ball, but that also allowed Polokwane City to keep a very low block. Now they played a very low block, but wonderful game of football, I think. But I think if Sundowns plays like this from here going forward, they will suffer. In the hands of other teams. They need to it's a different I understand as a Sundowns fan it's not a problem, but they will remember what I'm saying because it's not the same Sundowns that we know, if we are honest.
Yes.
Sundowns of Ruliani Mukwena kept most of the ball. They kept the ball. They rotated the ball.
Yes.
They knew how to break lines. They were fluid. You break lines, you find passing lanes.
Yes.
You enter the final third. That's when sometimes I felt that they were not so aggressive, and I always say it.
Yeah.
With Mangoba, they will be a bit aggressive, but at some point, I think they lose the ball cheaply.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's see in the semi-finals who wins, and then final robo.
Kupa man of the match, my brother.
Man of the match, I'd give it to Marcelo Allende. For me, it's Marcelo Allende.
Allende.
Yeah.
Why?
Very, very good on the ball. It's a box to box, just next to Modau. Modau, sorry. It was actually Mudiba. I was playing with Mudiba.
Obri
Mudiba. There, I think they played very well.
Yes.
And I think he's underrated, according to me.
Marcelo.
Most people don't see the amount of work that he puts in the game.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the number is 073, ne?
083.
Yeah, 083
MTN, yeah.
KG, you dialed *144*8#.
Yeah, I did.
Recharge just with 10 Rand or more.
Yeah.
Stand a chance to win a share of 8 million in prizes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, King. Hola. Pep KG.